Hi folks, welcome back to ECS Coffee. Jack here again with another unboxing video. This time it's a new machine because there's a new machine. It is the DeLonghi Dedica Arte, or Arte, or Art. I don't know really how to pronounce A-R-T-E. I know that Art is spelled A-R-T, but they've put an E on the end. So, the new Dedica. Yeah, so we're gonna be unboxing this. Gonna be a simple video. Basically, it's the newest of the Dedica lineup, which is the small footprint manual espresso machines that DeLonghi makes. And the main difference on this model is that it has a manual proper steam wand as seen on the Specialista machines and whatnot. So it's gonna be a bit more manual and you have a bit more play with it. You can experiment and customize with it. I think that it has a larger basket, but I don't know for sure. This isn't a full review. We'll have one of those shortly, but we'll check that out once we get it open, all right? So, first things first, let's get this box open. Well, I mean, we'll look at the box. Pretty box, right? Back of the box has some info and details, but nothing really worth, you know, reading. And it's just advertising stuff, you know, like, oh, we've got some simple interactions. It's so impressive, and yada yada. Everything the boxes tend to say. Okay, so we're gonna get this open up. DeLonghis are either really easy to get out of their boxes or a real pain. Hopefully this one's really easy. It looks like it is because it's rather small. Specialistas are a pain in the butt to get out of their box. It takes like 2 people, but this one seems pretty compact. So we're presented here with this just like egg carton style cardboard thing. We're just gonna slide it right on out. Everything is right on top. Wow, there we go. Ugh. So that's that box done. Just toss that to the side. And yeah, so here we are. So we've got all this stuff on the top here. Looks like we've got the power cable here, which is probably gonna be pretty handy. It's attached to the machine. We've got the manual here, and we've got the portafilter here. Right here we've got a coffee scoop as well, and then we've got the portafilter baskets. Now we've got one, but we had 2. Portafilter baskets. These do look like, yes, they are pressurized baskets. Yeah. Alrighty. Just gonna make sure there's nothing on the other side. Nope. All right, so let's just pop this open. And, oh, we got stuff. All right, let's get this out of here. All right, so we've got a box right here. This is an eco decalc. I think this is just for descaling. Yeah, it's just to descale your machine once you need to descale it, but that shouldn't be for a little bit. After you have it and use it, here we have the fancy, heavier, proper tamper that comes with the Art machine. We're gonna get it out of the bag here. It's very nice. This is honestly, I think, I'm not like a tamper connoisseur, but this is one of my favorite tampers. It's got like a chrome sort of thing on the top. It looks very nice. This is pretty good. It's got some good weight to it. So put that down there. Let's move all that stuff to the side. And then we're presented with the actual machine. All right. And we'll put that down, and there's cardboard a bit everywhere. There it is. That's the machine. So we're gonna get this plastic bag off of it. We're gonna try to get this plastic bag off of it. Whoop. That was close. Oh, it's so shiny. I don't want to touch it. I mean, we're gonna be using it for a review, so it's gonna get a little dirty, but it feels wrong to touch it because it's all chrome. So, there we go. So there's the machine. You've got the manual steam wand right here. This is what is new. If you look at an old Dedica, in fact, I'll grab one. Oh, it's dripping water, it's dripping water. Okay, it's here, look, you look at an old Dedica, right? Or I guess just an original non-art Dedica. It's got this, this wand here, the Panarello wand, which, you know, isn't really manual. I mean, you could take that off, but it's not proper, right? So this one does it for you, whereas this one allows you to do stuff more manually, do it yourself, right? So you see the difference? Yeah. If we look at them side by side, they're pretty similar. It looks like their footprint is exactly the same, buttons are the same, the look is exactly the same, other than just the steam ones. That's the only real difference. Ours just looks a bit more worn down because it's been used, so it's not as shiny, but otherwise they're pretty much identical. Except ours has the old one still has the sticker on it and the new one doesn't, so I don't know. They got rid of the sticker, I guess. So here I've got the portafilter for the original Dedica, portafilter for the Art. They're pretty much the same. I'd say the new one has a better feel to it, but that could just be the fact that it's brand new. They do look pretty similar though. This is our older one, just looks a bit more worn out, but they are pretty much, I think, the same size. Let's check. So this is the old one. Yeah, it fits right in. So they're the same size portafilter as the old original Dedica, but yeah, so you're getting pretty much the same thing. This basket here does come in the portafilter, so you do get a basket in the portafilter here. Let's check. It is still a pressurized basket though. So only pressurized baskets come with this. You're not gonna get any non-pressurized baskets with the Dedica Art. Another thing they've changed with the Art that I've noticed is if you take this drip tray off, I was forgetting the word, then you're presented with a much nicer chrome finished bottom here. I think it's removable. Yeah, so you've got this nice finished chrome. This is for, you know, another little bottom drop drip tray for when you're using a larger mug, so like a travel mug or something that wouldn't fit under the standard drip tray. You've now got this as well underneath so that you're not just going straight on the black plastic and it looks kind of sketchy and not very nice. It feels fancier if you have that there, really, because, you know, metal is fancier than plastic. So yeah, this is the Dedica Art, or Arte, or I still don't. This is the new Dedica. We'll be getting a full review out on this shortly. We're also going to be doing a comparison video between this and the Breville Bambino, because we do know that we've done that before, but people were saying we should do it better because we did it bad. So we're going to do that again. We're going to redo it, and that'll be in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I've been Jack. Take care.